What is up? Welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another Boxycharm unboxing video for you guys. Now I'm really excited for this box because I love makeup, and that's the truth. I pay $40 a month for this box because I'm from Canada, so pay an arm and a leg for pretty much anything coming from America. Boxycharm did not send me this box. I did pay for this box with my very own money. So get on to this video. This is it. It's all pink and girly. This is Boxycharm, and the inside has the card. This is a May's box. If you guys are wondering, I always forget to tell you guys what months these boxes are. It has all of the stuff in the inside of the box that I got, and the prices are, I believe, American prices. These aren't Canadian prices at all. Okay, I don't know what else to get into. First thing I'm gonna just pull out of my box is this. Now this is a Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. Now I've never tried this from Tarte before. Don't really try any Tarte products really because they're expensive and I can't afford that. So it goes for $27. Lord, this thing is really cute. My shade is in Sunbeam. This part is so funny. Like, look at this. When I saw this, I was like, oh, it's a little baby beauty blender. I don't really know if I'd even use this, to be honest. I don't really. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I don't know. This is cool. Whoa, that came out really fast. What the wand looks like. Doesn't smell like anything. What it looks like. Nice and pale, just like me. I don't know. Don't even know if it really did anything. I have no idea. But I'll give it a try and see if I like it. If I don't, oh well, no big deal. Next is a brush set. This is from Lavish Essential Eye Collection. You get 5 handcrafted, vegan-friendly brushes. Oh, that's pretty cool. And this is just what they look like. Brushes look like. I actually really like all of these brushes. All 5 of these brushes are awesome. These are type of brushes that I will definitely use. I love that there's a little corner brush because I use these types of brushes for my eyebrows. A little inner corner eye brush if I wanted, a concealer brush, and I love that there's like 2 fluffy brushes. It's like another dense brush, flat brush. I don't even know what the names of these brushes are. I need to use these babies. I wonder if they're gonna be any good. But I mean, I'll use them. So, and I like the colors of them. Kind of remind me of like pineapples. I don't know why. These 5 brushes retail for $30. Wow. Oh, I'm excited to try them. The thing is this. I see kind of like a purple, dark purple plum color going on. This is the TYNT Beauty Haze Smoky Eye Pencil. This retails for $18. What? Are you out of your mind? Why? I mean, it's a really pretty, like, purple color. This isn't smooth and creamy. I'd probably use this color as a lip liner, to be honest. Maybe. I love the color of it, though. This is the Beekman 1802 Dewy Eyed Illuminating and Depuffing Eye Serum. What the hell? I get them 31, but like, damn. I didn't think I needed some eye serum already. Like, I don't know. I don't really care. So expensive. This isn't even my taste at all. Like, look at this crap. And why is it in a bag? Stand the rich people. I really don't. Oh, it's cute. This just is Dewy Eye Illuminating Eye Serum. It's really cute. It has like a pump, which I like. Squirt, squirt. Let me actually. Whoa. That came out really fast. Kind of smells like baby wipes. This is, oh my, $42? I better use this to look like I'm 19 again. It's kind of intimidating to me. I don't know. If I use it, I do. I don't know. Last thing in my box is this. Now this is a, what the hell is this? Oh, this is the Dry Bar Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist. Now I do use heat protectants for my hair because I have really, really long hair and I don't want to kill it. So that's kind of like another one. Never tried this brand before. It says before ironing. Well, obviously. This retails for $27. Expensive for a dry shampoo. I don't think I'd ever pay that much for dry shampoo. Smells good. I'm stoked to try that out. So that is everything that I got in my Boxycharm for the month of May. I mean, this box was okay. It wasn't like my most favorite box. I mean, I'm just saying it wasn't like, wow, you know, a wow box for me. So anyways, I hope that you guys did enjoy it, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.